1,023 miles on an FLRT with an aftermarket fairing in a Billiard Teal. The aftermarket fairing is a Batwing fairing, huge deflectors, and kind of a large windshield. Usually they only go about halfway. Buffeting all the wind around you and over you. LED turn signals, extremely bright halogen headlight, dual Brembo brakes. There's an engine guard here with some rubber mounts on top. Prop those feet up on the highway. Floorboards, 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine starting from 2017. This is a 2021. Derby cover obviously says 114 right there. Beautiful dual overhead cams, 4 valves per cylinder, making that the M8 you see before you. Absolutely beautiful machine. Great detail on the decal here. A lot of style with this thing. A lot more reasonable price than the FLHT CUT-G, the Tri-Glide, and with a lot more versatility for making it a Tri-Glide if you'd like to. Otherwise, it just comes with a 2-up seat and a backrest, and of course the trunk. This is a two-handed operation. I cannot open it with one hand. Oh, I got it. All right. Plenty of space. Data cable and of the owner's manual. Beautiful addition to our used bike inventory. Come on down for a test ride today. You won't regret it.